Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into something super handy: how to add your Afterpay card to Google Wallet in 2025. With the ever-evolving world of mobile payments, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time, letting you shop smarter and faster. First things first, make sure you have the Google Wallet app installed on your Android device or through the web on compatible platforms. If you don't have it yet, head to the Google Play Store or App Store and download it for free. Once that's done, open the app and sign in with your Google account. This is your gateway to all your digital cards and payments. Now, let's get to the fun part. Tap on the Add to Wallet or Payment Methods option, usually found at the bottom of the home screen. You'll see a list of card types. Select Credit or Debit Card, or look for the Virtual Payment Options section. Here, you'll enter your Afterpay card details. Afterpay is a buy now pay later service, so make sure you have your card number, expiration date, and CVV ready. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any issues. Next up, Google Wallet might ask you to verify your card. This could involve a small test transaction or linking it to your Afterpay account directly. Follow the on-screen prompts. It's quick and secure. Once verified, hit Add Card and watch as your Afterpay card appears in your wallet. In 2025, Google has made this even smoother with enhanced biometric security, so you might need to confirm with your fingerprint or Face ID. Pro tip: after adding your card, test it out by making a small purchase or checking your wallet balance to ensure everything's linked correctly. This way, you'll avoid any surprises when you're out shopping. And there you have it. Your Afterpay card is now part of your Google Wallet ecosystem. This setup not only streamlines your payments but also keeps everything in one secure place. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.